भारत में मेट्रो नेटवर्क के विस्तार पर कांग्रेस विधायक सोफिया फिरदौस ने कहा, भारत एक बहुत बड़ा देश और नेटवर्क के जरिए प्रभावी रूप से कनेक्ट होने के लिए मेट्रो रेल सेवाएं लोगों तक पहुंचने के लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। हालांकि हम अभी भी पीछे हैं, खासकर ओडिशा में, जहां मेट्रो का काम हाल ही में शुरू हुआ है और इसे पूरा होने में काफी समय लगेगा।
India is a very large country, so in order to be able to properly connect through the network, metro rail, as well as to be able to reach out to every people who need the service, I feel that India is way behind right now also. If you see the situation in Odisha, the metro work has just commenced and it will take a very long time. But the route planning has to be done very meticulously, which we feel at many times they neglect the proper connectivity and the routes where it should reach. The first phase metro is starting from Bhubaneswar and it will end at Trishulya. Our demand is it should end at least at SCB Medical through the bus stand. So it's very important to ensure that the connectivity happens properly so that the essence of using the metro train, people don't have to use their own private vehicles. So we obviously have a very long way to go in terms of connecting all the major cities through metro, because it's a very huge country. In terms of kilometer, it may look that we have achieved a lot, but in terms of cities, if you check, we are way behind other countries. We are way behind in terms of experience that other countries are providing for in the metro trains. In today's time where every day a new innovation is coming up, every day the world is getting smaller, people are getting connected to each other and through various new technologies and mediums. So the pace at which we should run will obviously go up. You know, it took many years to invent a TV, but it just took few months to come up with ChatGPT. So the time is moving very fast. So obviously the expectation of people goes up. The kind of the kind of fulfillment of the roles has to go up, and it has to go many times. Just like we are also moving ahead in this fast moving time.